This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 23 PACK-15 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 33 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, slide-out, LP detector, awning, refrigerator, water heater, Colorado detector, external shower, oven, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 23 PACK-15 is 7,296 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.